Today, I'll show you how to limit orders with respect to different time spans in WooCommerce. First, go to the Order Limit plugin and click Add New Rule. A new screen will appear. Here, enter the rule name, select the rule type, and choose the product type. Then, select the products you want to apply the limit to. In this example, I've selected vacuum cleaner and set the minimum limit to 3. If you also want a maximum limit, enable maximum limit and enter the value. Next, choose whether the limit applies to amount or quantity. I've applied the limit to quantity. Publish the rule. Now visit your store and add 1 unit of vacuum cleaner to the cart, and you'll see an error message. Vacuum cleaner. Minimum quantity must be greater than 3 and less than 5. Go to Rules page and set time span to daily. When time span is checked, it asks to select Check Previous Orders for more options. Go to More option and select Previous Orders of Current User. Now update the rule and go to Store again. Go to Cart page, click on Proceed to Checkout button, select desired payment method, and place the order. As you can see, order is placed successfully. Go to Shop page and try placing the order again. You'll get an error message. The minimum purchase limit for vacuum cleaner is 5. Remaining items 0 because maximum limit was 5 that is already reached. Go to Rule page again to set the time span to weekly starting from Tuesday. Change the maximum limit to 10 and update the rule. On the Cart page, if you add product greater than the set limit, you'll get the error message again saying, the maximum purchase limit for vacuum cleaner is 10, remaining items 5. Go to Rule page again to set the time span to monthly starting from 10th and update the rule. On Cart page, update the quantity to 11 and you will observe the error message again. The maximum purchase limit for vacuum cleaner is 10, remaining items 5. Go to Rule page again to set the time span to yearly starting from September 5th and update the rule. On Cart page, update the quantity to meet the limit and you will observe the error message disappears. Go to Rule page again to set the time span to custom days, which I have set to 10, change max limit to 15 and update the rule. On Cart page, update the quantity to 15 and you will observe the error message appears. On changing the quantity to meet the rule's limit, error disappears. Go to Rule page again to set the time span to custom date and update the rule. On Cart page, update the quantity to 20 and you will observe the error message appears. The maximum purchase limit for vacuum cleaner is 15, remaining items 10. Thank you for watching.